Hello, welcome to Skill English. Today's session is about phrasal verb. So the verb which I have chosen today is the verb go. So today we will go through some 7 phrasal verb with the verb go. So let's start. The first phrasal verb which I have chosen today is go through. Go through. What does it mean if you find in a sentence go through? Go through means to read carefully. So I can say a sentence like that. Please go through the question paper carefully before answering the question. So go through means to read carefully. Okay, got it? The next phrasal verb is go with. Go with means to match. To match something, to look good with something. So I can say this haircut doesn't go with you well. That means it doesn't suit you. The haircut which you have applied doesn't suit you. So it doesn't matches with your facial or body structure. Means match. Go with means match. Okay. Next phrasal verb is go on. What does go on means? Go on means to continue. So someone can say, or a teacher can say, what is going on here? What is going on here? That means what is continuing here? I can say another sentence with a little bit of different meaning. Go on with your work. That means I am saying continuing with your work. Go on with your work means continuing with your work. So go on means continue. Next phrasal verb is go down. Go down means decrease. So I can say the prices of vegetables has gone down, or I can say the price of cell phone has gone down. Gone down or go down means decrease in price especially. Next phrasal verb which is go ahead. Go ahead means to advance. So I can say like that, he went ahead with his plans. Or I can say go ahead with your plans. It will benefit you. So go ahead means to advance doing something. Next, go against. Go against means you just see, against means to you go anti or to resist. He went against his friend to win the election. So what he did? He went against his friend to win the election. So go against means to resist or to go against someone. Next phrasal verb is go after. Go after means sometimes it may means follow, or it can also mean chase. So go after means like that I can use in a sentence. The police went after the thief. The police went after the thief. That means the police was following the thief or the police was chasing the thief. I can say also don't go after money in life because it doesn't bring happiness. That means I am also trying to say don't follow or don't chase after money. So don't go after money. It will not bring happiness in life. So I can use it in a 2 different way. Go after means to chase or to follow. The last phrasal verb is go out. Go out means to extinguish or to put off the light. I can say the lights went out after it started raining. So the light went out. The light was not there. The electricity was gone. That means extinguish. The lights went out after it started raining. So I hope you have enjoyed the session today. It was a short session, but it was very important to follow this phrasal verb because it helps to boost your communication skill. So before I end my session today, I would like to summarize the phrasal verb which I have discussed with you today. The first one was go through. Go through means to read carefully, to go through something before you do something, before you answer something. Go with means match, to tell you something. Go on means to continue, go on doing something. Go down means to decrease, especially of prices. Go ahead means to advance doing something. Go ahead with your plans. Go against. Go against means to go anti about something or someone. He went against his friend to win the election. Go after means to follow or chase. The last phrasal verb which I discussed today was go out. That means extinguish or went out the light. The lights went out after the heavy rain. So I hope you all have enjoyed the session today. If you have enjoyed the session today, give your thumbs up for this video. And those who are new to my channel, I am grateful that you have spent your valuable time today. Please put your likes, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that when I upload my next video, you will get it. Until next time, all of you from Skill English, be happy, go on working with your English. It will help you in your career. Until next session, goodbye, have a nice time. Thank you.